Hello everyone, hope you understand how to use Proteus for electronic circuit. Now in this session we will see how to use Proteus for Arduino. So by default Proteus is not for Arduino and its sensor modules. So if you want to make Proteus for Arduino, you have to download Arduino libraries for Proteus from internet. So just click on Google Proteus library for Arduino, you will get the link. Otherwise you can download the libraries from this link, theengineeringprojects.com. After downloading, you have to install the link library files in library folder. Only installation in library folder is not sufficient for using Proteus for Arduino, because Proteus requires hex file for Arduino. So in microcontroller, hex file is important, and when you click on upload button, the hex file is directly uploaded into microcontroller. Therefore hex file is directly uploaded into microcontroller. You are not getting access to hex file. So how to get access for hex file? And for that you have to click on file, then preferences. You have to click on file and preferences. So when you click on file and preferences, you will get this window, file preferences. So new window will open, you will get this window, and here you have to click on compilation. This compilation is very important, so that you will see the message for compilation. Then you have to click on OK. So when you click on OK, you will get this window. After compiling, you will get this window, and at the bottom of this you will get hex file. At the bottom of this you will get hex file. So record the path or copy the path, and then open your circuit diagram in Proteus. Double click on Arduino. So when you double click on Arduino, it will ask files. So just click on program files, paste the link or paste the link for hex file, and then run the simulation and do the practical. So I will run this LED blinking program in Arduino. So for that, first of all I will open Proteus Arduino. So I will open Arduino. So when you click on Arduino, new window will open. So I have to click on file, new, basic, file, example, basic and blink. So when I click on file, example, basic, blink, the blink program will open. So this is my blink program: white setup, pin mode, LED bulletin output, white setup, white loop, digital write, LED bulletin high, LED bulletin low. Now click on compile. So when you click on compile, compiling the sketch, and whatever process is done here, you will observe here. So compiling is going on, you will get the progress here, and whatever messages are there you can observe here. So compiling sketch. Okay, so first step is file, preferences. On preferences, you have to click on compilation. You have to tick here compilation. Then you have to click on OK, and then you have to do the compile. So when you do the compile, at the last, second last, you will get this hex file. So this is the address for hex file: C drive, users, Citronics, app data, local data, temp, Arduino build 145051, and blink iono.hex. So this is my hex file, blink iono.hex. So open my computer. So open my computer. In this Citronics, app data, local, temp. In temp, arrange the icon by date modified. So select the modified folder. So this is my modified folder, 21 May 1115. Select this, and in this observe the hex file. So this is my hex file, blinkino.h. So I will copy this hex file and I will paste it here. Okay, so I will paste this here, blinkino.h. Now open Proteus, file, new project. Here I will write Arduino LED blinking. Then next, create schematic. Next, no PCB, no firmware. Next, finish. So I'll get editor window. Now I had already downloaded Arduino library for Proteus. So these are Arduino library for Proteus. So you have to copy these two files into C drive, program data, lab center, Proteus, and library. So in library I have to paste that. In library I have to paste that Arduino files. So these are my Arduino library files. After pasting this, then you have to start this Proteus. So click on P. So click on P. Select Arduino, Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno, there are two Arduinos. So I will select Arduino Uno R3. Double click. Then register. Then LED. LED I want animated. I will select yellow color. Okay. Now first Arduino, I want Arduino vertical. Then register, I will select register. Then LED. I will zoom selected area. Connect this to pin number 13. Ground is very important, so connect ground. Now change the value of this resistor. The value of resistor should be 220 ohm. Save your file. Now double click on this board. So Proteus. Sometimes Proteus may disable. So again I am opening Proteus. So this is our Arduino program. We will see whether it is saved or not. Okay. So this is Arduino, this is resistor, and this is LED. I will zoom it. So this is red LED. Double click on this. Now program file. So open the program file. So we had stored the program from file on desktop. So blink hex, open, and click on OK. So my program is loaded into Arduino. Now I want to check whether this LED is blinking or not. So just click on play. So when you click on play, your simulation will start. See, LED on, LED off. We are using 1 second delay. So 1 second on, 1 second off. So LED is blinking. If you want to stop this, stop the simulation. If you want to start the simulation. So this is LED blinking program. Arduino, Proteus for Arduino. So this is our second session. So do the practice on Proteus. You have Proteus software, or you can download the Proteus software from net, and you can do this at home. You can use this Proteus software for testing any electronic circuit. So this is our today's session. We'll stop here. Thank you.